take you away from the comments to bring you some breaking news concerning the Princess of Wales. This is a statement from Kensington Palace that we've received in the last few minutes. So I'll read it in full. It begins. Her Royal Highness, the Princess of Wales, was admitted to the London clinic yesterday for planned abdominal surgery. The surgery was successful, and it's expected that she will remain in hospital for 10 to 14 days before returning home to continue her recovery. The statement goes on, based on the current medical advice, she is unlikely to return to duties until after Easter. The statement continues. The Princess of Wales appreciates the interest this statement will generate. She hopes the public will understand her desire to maintain as much normality for her children as possible and her wish that her personal medical information remains private. Kensington Palace will therefore only provide updates on Her Royal Highness's progress when there is significant new information to share. The Princess of Wales wishes to apologise, it concludes, to all those concerned for the fact that she has had to postpone her upcoming engagements. And it finishes, she looks forward to reinstating as many as soon as possible. So Kensington Palace informing us in the last few minutes that the Princess of Wales was admitted to hospital, the London clinic, for planned surgery, and it was a successful surgery. No detail to exactly what the surgery was, but she is now to remain in hospital for 10 to 14 days before the palace says she will return home to continue recovery, and they are not expecting her to be able to take part in any public duties until after Easter. So that abdominal surgery, as the palace tells us, was successful, but the Princess of Wales is expected to remain in hospital. The statement from Kensington Palace is also telling us that they're asking for her private medical detail to be kept private, of course, and they are asking for the privacy, which, of course, many people will adhere to. They're going to provide updates when there is any significant new information to share, and of course she's apologised for missing those engagements, but of course her health and her recovery is the most important thing. So the Princess of Wales in hospital for 10 to 14 days after planned abdominal surgery. Successful, but they are keeping her in for her recovery, convalescence, and she'll return home to recover once the doctors think it is safe, and she's unlikely to be back on public duty until Easter. We'll get more detail of that, of course, if there is any more detail to report throughout the afternoon. But that breaking news, the Princess of Wales admitted to hospital for 10 to 14 days after planned abdominal surgery.